Hi, I'm TJ Lynch for BuyRoatan.com. Today we're at Mahogany Bay, Carnival Cruise Line's brand new, just opened village and port for their ships. There's a Carnival ship in port today, and quite a few people get off, but about a third of the passengers do stay on the boat too. This is an old shrimping boat that they've cut in half and installed on the property here. This is the chairlift that takes you over to their private beach, which is located about 300 yards away, and you go up and over onto a little island. And they try to pretty much keep everybody here as well, instead of letting them, encouraging them to go elsewhere on the island. But believe me, it's probably much better and cheaper to take a taxi or a bus tour out of here and go and explore the island. And if you're into shopping, there's a lot of places where you can buy souvenirs, clothing, sunglasses, you name it, you can buy it here. Duty free. There's some great jewelry and diamond shops here. All in all, Mahogany Bay is a great place to visit. Carnival cruise ship spent a reported $62 million developing this site and building it for their clients, and so that's why they try to keep you on site so that you can help pay them back. There you go. There's the first cruise ship that ever came to Roatan, and they've come a long way, haven't they? So if you're traveling on a Carnival cruise ship in the near future, you'll probably be coming here. But bring your credit cards and your wallet, because it's not cheap. I'm TJ Lynch at Mahogany Bay for BuyRoatan.com.